Welcome to Sandipani Vidya Mandir. It is situated at Senchua, LB Road in the district of Nagaon in the state of Assam. Our school is affiliated to CBSE and I am Mayurakshi Datta, TGT English, and I am also the narrator for the day. This is the entrance of our school. This is the main gate of our school. This is the approach road, which is about 200 meters from National Highway 37. The walls of our entrance corridor are adorned with beautiful pictures of different famous personalities of our state, that is Assam. The walls are also adorned with some social message of saving water and saving the environment by saving trees. So the walls, as you all can see here, the world famous one-horn rhino is also depicted here. Along with it is the famous Jappi and the Nam, which is very famous and very important to our culture, is also depicted in one of the walls. This is the school building of our school. This is our principal sir's room, and here is our principal sir, Mr. L.N. Rizal. Mrs. Anita Sabudhut, she is a wellness teacher. She is also acting as the vice principal of the school. This is the boundary wall of the school. This is the parking of our school, and the different buses are parked. This is the playground of our school.
And this is our sports room. Please have a look.
Today I will show you the different equipments that are present in our physics lab. Actually, our physics lab we have divided it into three parts. So first part, I will show you all the equipments that are necessary for the experiment of electricity, related to electricity and magnetism. So for electricity, we have the different equipments like voltmeter, ammeter of different ranges. Then we have galvanometer. Then we have this one, our battery eliminator. And we have resistance box, meter gauge, our PN junction, and rheostat. These are all the equipments that are necessary for doing the experiment related to electricity and magnetism. In our physics laboratory for practical related to optics. Here we have different lenses like concave lens, convex lens, prisms, plane mirror and magnifying glasses, all the equipments that are necessary for doing the practicals which are related to optics. We have this board, so which is very beneficial for doing our experiment related to optics. Then we have one more part in our physics laboratory, that is the mechanics part, where I will show you the equipments that are necessary for doing the experiment related to mechanics. Like we have vernier caliper, we have micrometer, then we have this pendulum stand, we have stopwatch and some spring balance and some weight which are necessary for doing the experiment related to mechanics. This is all about our physics laboratory. Thank you.
Chemistry lab. I am Pranati Goswami, science teacher of Sandipani Vidya Mandir. Let's take a short look of a chemistry chemicals present over here. This is the acetic acid, sulfuric acid, and this is iron powder, copper sulfate. This is actually already prepared the iron sulfate solution by the students. We done the chemical activities, means practical classes over here by class 9 and 10 students. So this solution is prepared by the students. We are adding copper sulfate powder with water and this solution prepared, and when I am going to instruct them to add this iron metal over here, then the chemical reaction will occur in here and color will be changed, and that should be indicated that chemical reaction happening in this solution. And actually this is called displacement reaction, because we already know that iron is the more reactive metal than the copper, so it will displace the copper from the sulfate and combine with iron, and it will form iron sulfate solution. So it is an example of displacement reaction. These are the apparatus which are used by the students to do the chemical practicals. These are the beakers, different sizes. This is tripod which is used for the burning, means heat substances. These are the chemical solution. This is ammonium solution, litmus red solution, litmus paper, red solution, blue solution, zinc metal dust. These solutions are used to indicate the acid and base. Chloroform, it is already prepared by the students in several classes. This is the hydrochloric acid, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. This is the spirit lamp which is used to burn something for heating, and this is tripod, and this is the iron net. So we are using like this, and we are doing this spirit lamp to heat something. This is funnel, this is measuring flask, barium chloride. When barium chloride will react with the sodium sulfate, it is also the displacement reaction, double displacement reaction. I mean, it is also by the precipitation reaction, because barium chloride will displace the sulfate from the sodium sulfate, and sodium chloride will be present. This is Bunsen burner which is connected with the gas pipe to heat something. This is sodium carbonate. It is the chemical of washing soda. It is actually used for removing the permanent hardness of the water. And next one is ammonium chloride, alum potash. All these things are present over here. This is the modern periodic table hang over here for the better understand of the students, and all the elements are present are here, and students are trying to learn all these things because these are helping them to learn the different elements. Okay, according to the modern periodic table, the metals are and non-metals are placed in here. Actually, by this chemistry lab, we try to do the things easier for the students in the lab. Thank you.
Let's have a quick look on the apparatus apparatus that we have. These are the models present in our lab. This is the model of your eye. This is the model of human heart. This is the model of human brain. This is the model of human ear. Again, we have some of the specimen of various species. This is the species of a butterfly. This is the species of ant. This is the species of cockroach. This is the species of mushroom, and this is the species of fish. This again is the chart prepared by our children. This is the chart of nerve cell. This is again the species of Selena. This is the species of your starfish. This is the species of Sarcula. This is the species of Rhizopus. This is the species of Spongilla. This is the species of Opuntia. This is the species of your Doris. This is the species of moss, and this is the species of octopus. This is the species of rat. This is the species of your prawn, and this is the species of cycon. Again, this is the chart prepared by our children. This is the chart of your kidney. Chart prepared by our children. This is the chart they have prepared of the systematic diagram of circulation, that is the heart. Again, we have a compound microscope is here. Again, we have a model of skeleton. Then again, this is one more chart prepared by our student, that is the human alimentary canal. Again, we have some of the apparatus which are needed for practical purposes. We mostly conduct here practicals based on how to find the stomata, what are the cells, how we can see the cell in the microscope. For this, all these equipments are required.
My name is Vidisha Bora. I am the librarian of this school. At present, we have maintaining 2,500 books at our library. Let us have a look at our collections. This is our autobiography section. This is encyclopedia. These two shelves are storybooks. These two shelves for Hindi books. The whole shelf is for mathematics. These two shelves for general science. This is for social science. And these two shelves for English. And these two shelves for reference section. These all are reference books we kept here. These all are magazines, different types of, and these are our newspapers we kept here.
And I'm the computer teacher of this school, and this is our computer lab, and now let's look of our computer system of the laboratory.
This is the boys' washroom. This is the girls' washroom. This is the napkin vending machine, which is very necessary for the girl students. This is our teachers' common room.
भाई बहनों ने अपने बड़ों को अपने पढ़ने और सीखने, ठीक है। लेकिन फिलहाल उनको नहीं चाहिए वो 12 प्रकार के पत्र, ठीक है, वो सिर्फ बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए ही चाहिए। तो अभी तुम लोग फिर से हम वो जो औपचारिक और दूसरा क्या सर्वनाम है कि नहीं, ये दोनों विषय ही हमने आरंभ किया था। अब हम क्या करेंगे कि कोशिश करेंगे कि हम अपने वो पुरानी जिस सिस्टम से हम चलते थे ना, उस सिस्टम से हम चले, चारों पार्ट्स को हम आगे बढ़ाएं। अभी जैसे हमको थोड़ा सा हिंदी में आप लोग आएंगे है, हाँ, कौन कौन से वो दो तरीके के पत्र थे? हाँ, औपचारिक और अनौपचारिक पत्र, ठीक है ना। और उसमें से जो पहला विषय है वो है पत्र लेखन। क्लास 6 में तुम लोगों ने पत्र लेखन पढ़ा है ना? क्लास 6 में तुम लोगों को दो तरीके such as point of view overseas trade located in the places from most manufacturing units were located
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम धर्मेंद्र कुमार सिंह है। मैं योगा टीचर हूँ। यहाँ पर आपको योगा और मेडिटेशन सिखाया जाता है। इसके साथ साथ एक कॉमन एक्टिविटी रूम है, म्यूजिक और डांस का भी क्लासेस होता है।
The common activity room. 3 rooms which are kept for senior secondary. These are the pictures of the scientists, scholars and freedom fighters on the wall. we have the pictures of our toppers of CBSE board exams 2020. Every year we have been maintaining 100% result record, and this year too our result is 100%. This is all about our school, Sandipani Vidya Mandir. Hope you all have liked the video. Thank you for watching it.